So today, a customer brought in his gaming PC that's in need of an upgrade. We're going to be replacing his CPU, motherboard, and CPU cooler. Yeah, so we're just gonna get this repair started. We're gonna go outside and give this case a good cleaning. Alright, now that we're done cleaning the case out, we're going to move on to the AIO. But first we need to prepare it onto the motherboard, so we're going to need to take out the brackets. Now that we got the AIO installed, all that's left is putting the GPU and plugging all the cables in. Alright, so we got the customer's computer up and running. Now we're just going to install the OS and then install his drivers.